Practical Viva questions with short explanatory answers, suitable for UG and PG level. To describe pedigree analysis in detail. What is pedigree analysis? Pedigree analysis is the study of the inheritance of a trait through successive generations of a family using a diagram. What is a pedigree chart? A pedigree chart is a diagrammatic representation of family relationships and the inheritance pattern of a trait. Which symbol represents male in a pedigree chart? A square represents a male. Which symbol represents female in a pedigree chart? A circle represents a female. What does a shaded symbol indicate? A shaded symbol represents an affected individual. What does a half-shaded symbol indicate? A half-shaded symbol represents a carrier of a trait. What does a horizontal line between male and female represent? It represents marriage or mating. What does a vertical line represent? It represents the descent or offspring from a couple. What is proband in a pedigree chart? The proband is the first affected individual in the family being studied. What is the difference between autosomal dominant and recessive inheritance in pedigree? Autosomal dominant traits appear in every generation, while autosomal recessive traits may skip generations. What is X-linked inheritance? Inheritance of a trait carried on the X chromosome. Give an example of X-linked recessive disorder. Hemophilia. Why are males more affected in X-linked recessive traits? Because males have only one X chromosome, so a single recessive allele expresses the trait. What is Y-linked inheritance? Inheritance of traits carried on the Y chromosome, transmitted only from father to son. Which generation is numbered using Roman numerals in a pedigree chart? Generations are represented using Roman numerals, I, 2, 3. How are individuals numbered in each generation? Individuals are numbered from left to right using Arabic numerals, 1, 2, 3. What does consanguineous marriage mean in pedigree analysis? Marriage between closely related individuals, often shown by a double horizontal line. What is the significance of pedigree analysis? It helps predict the probability of a trait appearing in future generations and aids genetic counseling. How can you distinguish autosomal from sex-linked inheritance in a pedigree? By observing whether males and females are equally affected, autosomal, or if one sex is more affected, sex-linked. What does a skipped generation indicate? It indicates recessive inheritance. What is the importance of identifying carriers? Carriers can transmit the trait without being affected, important for disease prediction. Which traits require reciprocal cross to confirm inheritance? Sex-linked traits. How is pedigree analysis useful in medicine? It helps in diagnosing hereditary diseases and planning genetic counseling. What precautions should be taken while constructing a pedigree chart? Accurate family history, clear symbols, and correct recording of affected and carrier individuals. What is the conclusion of pedigree analysis experiment? Pedigree analysis allows identification of inheritance patterns, prediction of trait occurrence, and understanding genetic disorders in families. What is the aim of pedigree analysis experiment? To study the inheritance pattern of a trait in a family and predict the occurrence of traits in future generations. What materials are required for pedigree analysis experiment? Family history data, pedigree symbols chart, pen/paper, and sometimes Punnett squares. What is the first step in constructing a pedigree? Collect accurate information on affected and unaffected family members across generations. Which symbols are used in pedigree charts? Square for male, circle for female, shaded for affected, half shaded for carrier, horizontal line for mating, vertical line for offspring. What is a proband? The proband is the first affected individual in the family who comes to attention for study. How are generations represented in a pedigree? Generations are numbered using Roman numerals, I, 2, 3. How are individuals numbered in a generation? Individuals are numbered from left to right using Arabic numerals, 1, 2, 3. What is autosomal dominant inheritance in pedigree? Trait appears in every generation. Affected individuals have at least one affected parent. What is autosomal recessive inheritance in pedigree? Trait may skip generations. Affected individuals often have unaffected carrier parents. What is X-linked inheritance in pedigree? Traits carried on the X chromosome. Males are often more affected in X-linked recessive traits. What is Y-linked inheritance? Traits carried on the Y chromosome and passed only from father to son. What is a carrier? An individual who carries a recessive allele but does not express the trait. Why is a Punnett square used in pedigree analysis? To predict genotypes and phenotypes of offspring based on parental alleles. How can you distinguish autosomal and sex-linked traits in a pedigree? Autosomal traits affect males and females equally, while sex-linked traits show sex-specific patterns. What does a skipped generation indicate? It indicates a recessive inheritance pattern. What is the significance of consanguineous marriage in pedigree? It increases the probability of recessive traits appearing in offspring. Why should family history be accurate in pedigree analysis? To correctly determine inheritance patterns and avoid misinterpretation. What precautions should be taken while constructing a pedigree chart? Use correct symbols, ensure accurate family data, and note carriers properly. How can carriers be identified using pedigree? Through Punnett square analysis and observing family inheritance patterns. What is the practical significance of pedigree analysis in medicine? It helps predict genetic disorders, assist genetic counseling, and plan preventive measures. What is the role of dominant alleles in pedigree analysis? Dominant alleles express traits in both heterozygous and homozygous conditions, showing clear inheritance in every generation. What is the role of recessive alleles in pedigree analysis? Recessive alleles express only when homozygous, often skipping generations. What does a double horizontal line between individuals indicate? Consanguineous or related marriage. What is the conclusion of pedigree analysis experiment? Pedigree charts help identify inheritance patterns, carriers, and predict the likelihood of traits appearing in future generations. How is pedigree analysis useful in genetics research? It provides insight into human hereditary traits, aids in diagnosis of genetic disorders, and is essential for